Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole, and on this channel I will teach you how to grow on YouTube the right way. So first, let me start by saying that this video is not sponsored by Tubebuddy. This is my complete view and honesty about Tubebuddy. So in this video, I will be showing you how to get Tubebuddy upgrades for free. Starting now, click on this link in the video. So this is a free 30-day offer of Tubebuddy Pro Star Legend paid license. So you can try this offer for 30 days. Before and during the 30 days, you can cancel this offer whenever you like to. So say you're not really happy with the service that is being provided by Tubebuddy, you can cancel this offer and you will not be charged. For Pro, usually you would have to pay $9 a month. For Star, you would have to pay $19 a month. And for Legend, you would have to pay $49 a month. In this offer, you can have any one of these paid upgrades for free. For 30 days free trial, you can have any of these paid versions. And this is how you can access this offer. The link is in the description box. Okay guys, click on that link. It will take you to Tubebuddy, and there you can access that offer of 30 days free upgrade on the paid version of Tubebuddy. So Tubebuddy is approved by YouTube. That is the reason why I am recommending you guys to this SEO tool. It is really good and it has helped my channels in many ways. So this is an affiliate link, guys. So what that means is if you went on ahead to purchase a Tubebuddy license, then I would make a very small commission from that. Don't worry, you don't have to pay me for anything. That's what Tubebuddy would do if in the future you went on to have a paid version of Tubebuddy license. So guys, if you are looking to grow on YouTube the right way and to gain more YouTube tips, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this video.